Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey everybody, do you know what that hole is for right there on the side of your belt guide, your belt guard? On some riding lawnmowers, I'll show you right now. On some riding lawnmowers, there is a grease nipple on the side of the tower. Some people call it a tower, some people call it a blade spindle. There's other, depending on where you live in the world, people call it different things. When you want to replace that, maybe it broke, maybe the bearings are worn out. When you replace that, because there's 4 bolts in it, you have 4 different ways you can bolt that new spindle on there. And if you don't know this, you have a 25% chance of getting it installed properly because the grease zerk is only on one side. It needs to line up with that hole right there so it is convenient for you to get your grease gun and get it in there, and it plugs right onto that grease nipple, and then you can grease it. If you get that wrong, you install that spindle wrong, then the grease zerk is actually going to be on either this side, or that side. And you can't grease it unless you take your deck off and take that guard off again. Same thing on the other side. There's a hole right there on this side of the deck. Same thing. So it's just a kind of a friendly reminder for a lot of you. A little tip, a little trick there for you. When you're replacing that spindle, check your guides and make sure that they're facing the right way so you can actually conveniently grease those again. I hope that helped some of you out there. And that's it for me and Steve out.